What's up, guys? Will H. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome screen protectors for the Google Pixel Fold. So a big shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending these over for a review. Now this kit is going to include your outer, your inner, and your camera lens as well. It's going to have your dust removal and an installation guide as well. So you're going to get two of the outer ones, which is called the EA glass. You're going to get two of the EPU film, which is going to be for your inner display, and you're also going to get two for your camera lens. So I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Let's go ahead and get into the package and check it out. All right, let's get the unboxing knife out. Go ahead and get this open up. See what's all included in here, which we already know. We've already read what's coming with it. Let's just go ahead and look at it. So taking the cover off the box, you're going to have your installation kit here. So that is going to be your kit. Looks like you get two of those. This is going to be for the outer display as well. We got a lot of stuff in here, guys. You got your cleaning kit, of course. You're going to have quite a few of those. You got four of them, look like it. You're gonna have your camera lens protector. Now the only thing I'm going to be putting on today is the outer display, the cover display, because I have a skin on the back of it, and my screen protector on the inside of it, the inner display is still good. So there's your other one. You get a squeegee, of course. You get your installation guides right there. And of course, you're going to have your inner screen protectors as well. So I will hold on to all of that stuff until I need it. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. And this is what we're left with. Let's go ahead and take a look at the guide here. And I think this is going to be pretty simple. Right here. Oh, this is the screen protector and everything already there. So that's pretty nice, man. You don't have to have put the screen protector and then put the guide on it. It's all in one, so that's very nice. So let's go ahead and get the device cleaned up. So you got your microfiber cleaning cloth, got your dust removers, and your alcohol pad. So we're going to go ahead and get it cleaned up.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so here's the application, the finished product. Whitestone Dome makes this very easy to do. No hassle, just basically drop it on there, give it a couple of rubs on it, and it's done. So this is going to be case friendly as well. Let's go ahead and check it out. So it feels just like the natural device here. Doesn't feel like there's an extra screen protector on there. So let's go ahead and try a case as well, and make sure there's no liftage. So dropping the case on here. Let's go ahead and turn the screen off. And as you guys see, there's no issues with lifting or anything on there. So we're going to be good with a case. Very easy to drop them on there. And let's drop the back piece of the case on here as well, since we're doing it. And there it is, Whitestone Dome in the house. So I definitely dropped the link in the description for the kit if you guys want to pick it up. Will H. I'm out.
Perfect.